let's get started. So today we are going to talk about themes. Yes, I'm going to share with you two of my favorite themes that I use every day. The default theme is really good, it's really beautiful, but I like to work with some other themes, and let me show you what they are. So let me go to the extension. The number one theme that I like is actually called the Dracula official. Let's go to the first one. This is what I was talking about, the Dracula official. Just install it, and as you can see, it's installed. Again, it has two flavors. Either you could go with the Dracula or Dracula soft. I'm going to go with the Dracula. Not only change the colors for the whole editor, it also changes all of the font's color. Every keyword like class or protected, every data type, every operator, all of their signs will be totally changed. So this is the number one theme that I like, and there is actually another one, and it's called OneDark Pro. Let's search it and install this one too. There it is, OneDark Pro. Let's install it. Now it has actually three flavors. You could go with OneDark Pro, you could go with One Pro Vivid, or both. I like to go with the OneDark Pro, and there we are. It's really good for the eyes, especially when you are actually working at nights. That is why I always choose the dark themes, because that's good for my eyes, especially when I work overnight, and it's easier for me to go back to sleep afterwards. So these were the two themes that I actually use and would recommend you guys to use too. So that's it for this video tutorial, guys.